Open the fuser connector cover. Insert the provided fuser connector opening tool, and apply force at the yellow spot to the direction of green arrow. Then, the fuser connector will easily pop out. Take the reset cable, and insert the ring terminal side through the gap on the fuser unit. Unplug the smaller 5-pin white connector. For a retail fuser unit, a cable will be at the first pin, P1 location, which needs to be removed. To remove the cable, lift up the P1 plastic pin and gently pull out the cable. Then proceed to the next step. For a starter fuser unit that came with the printer, the P1 location should be empty, so there is no need to remove any cable. So, proceed to the next step. Connect the small pin of the reset kit into the P1 location of the white connector. And place the white connector back into the fuser connector. Put the fuser connector cover back in its place. Unscrew this, and put the screw back together with the ring terminal securely. The installation of the fuser reset kit is now complete. It is that simple. Easily reset and reuse with our Easy Reset Kit, to save your time and money, and our planet.